Hello friends, this is Dr. Bandopadhyay Anirban, pulmonologist, Surabhi Hospital, Nasik, Maharashtra. Today I am in front of you discussing about the World Pneumonia Day, which is on 12th of November. Well friends, the reason why this day is celebrated as a World Pneumonia Day is because of two aspects. The first aspect is really everyone should know what is this pneumonia, and second is whether we can take certain measures to prevent getting a pneumonia. Many times you people, when fall ill, go to a doctor and you're told that you're having pneumonia. Well friends, remember, if you have pneumonia cannot be just left alone without treatment. You cannot become normal without getting treatment for pneumonia. You have to be treated properly for pneumonia. Pneumonia is not just cough which will go away on its own. Friends, pneumonia may progress to a grievous condition. It could be fatal also. So if somebody tells you that you have pneumonia, remember, it's not only cough, breathing difficulty, high grade fever, bringing out phlegm when you're coughing, but this doctor, whoever you've gone to, has to corroborate your clinical features, your symptoms, your signs with an imaging modality like doing an X-ray or a CT scan. If your X-ray or a CT scan shows a patch, shows a white shadow, it means you have got pneumonia. Now this pneumonia, this white patch, is basically the lung, which should appear black on an X-ray or a CT scan, now becomes white. Actually, it gets filled up with some ingredients, which could be inflammatory ingredients, could be pus, could be so many other things, which appears white on an imaging modality. And such material in the lung is not good for the lung, is not good for the patient. This pneumonia, this white patch, this shadow on an X-ray manifests in an individual by having high-grade fever, cough, breathing difficulty, bringing out sputum while coughing. Many times blood may come out during coughing. So all these features with X-ray or a CT scan finding suggestive of collection within the lung means a pneumonia. This pneumonia can be bacterial, can be tubercular, can be fungal, can be viral, can be cancer, can be a pulmonary infarct. There are so many differential diagnoses for consolidation or a patch inside the lung on a imaging modality. Now, when somebody has got pneumonia, he has to be thoroughly investigated by a doctor to find out what is the cause. Remember, pneumonia can progress very fast to life-threatening conditions, can go into sepsis, multi-organ dysfunction syndrome. It's better that every pneumonia is properly investigated. 60 to 70% of pneumonias can be treated easily by a pulmonologist like me in the OPD. But there are certain pneumonias which needs proper investigation, maybe even admission, and proper antibiotics, proper investigation modalities. Like pneumonias may need bronchoscopy. Some pneumonias are pulmonary infarctions. Such pneumonias have to be investigated by doing an echocardiography, by doing special blood tests, and maybe a CT pulmonary angiography. So you have to be treated by a good knowledgeable doctor if you have got pneumonia. This is one aspect. Second aspect, pneumonias can be prevented. Most important cause of pneumonias are predisposing conditions like diabetes, heart problems, some immunodeficiency syndromes, some connective tissue disorders, etc. So these predisposing conditions have to be kept in control so that you don't get pneumonia. Another important thing is vaccinations can prevent pneumonia in predisposing individuals, like the pneumococcal vaccine or the flu vaccines. So recommendation is get vaccinated so that very simply you can be protected against pneumonia. So I'll end this video here by telling you that be safe. If possible, wear masks continuously whenever you are in public. Wear it even at home if somebody is ill at your place. Get vaccinated. Reach out to a doctor as soon as you have cough, fever, breathlessness. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wish you a very happy new year and happy holidays, because all are still enjoying post Diwali. Thank you. Bye.